Alright, so the first thing you have to keep in mind is that your phone will be unlocked. That means your phone will be compatible with any carrier, or if you travel to any country, your phone will work. You just gotta insert a SIM card and you will be good to go. And this unlock is permanent, so you can restore, update, you can switch carriers, you can do whatever you want with your phone, and it will always remain unlocked. And the last thing is this doesn't matter if your phone is currently under contract or if your contract is fully paid. Doesn't matter, you will be able to unlock your phone. All you need to unlock your Samsung Galaxy is a computer, your phone, and a SIM card. Alright, so with that said, let's begin. So the first thing you have to do is to get your phone's IMEI number. To do that, simply dial *#06#. Alright, as you can see here, you will get your 15-digit IMEI number. This is super important, alright? So just keep in mind that we're gonna use only the first 15 digits. So keep it somewhere close because we're gonna need it in a few seconds to unlock this Samsung Galaxy. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch camera. In this website, we will request the unlock to unlock this phone. So simply, you have to fill in this form here about your phone's information. Select the exact model you're trying to unlock. Alright, so now it is extremely important to enter the correct IMEI number. That's the number we just got, so enter it here. It should be 15 digit and it must be 100% correct. If there's a mistake here, this method will not work. And the last and final step is to write down your personal email where you want to receive the notification. So just write down here your personal email address and they will email you a notification that your phone has been unlocked successfully.